and welcome to the UnicornholicTV. We'll be doing a stamps vlogging today.
Yes, we have two products, new items for you today.
Me
we can
first.
share with you.
Me first, okay?
Yes.
This he bought this to the Shopee earlier.
Yes, from Shopee, Digistamps.
Yeah.
Nag-vlog kami last time about
Yeah.
stamps, but today
Yeah.
we will focus on Digistamps. And of course, the Rode Wireless Go microphone.
Yeah.
Pero,
Intro muna.
hi guys!
Hi
Welcome.
guys, we back.
Yes, first, i-share namin sa inyo ang product ng
Me first,
Digistamps. Yes.
Me first.
Okay.
That's a princess stamps.
Yeah, this is the to-do list stamps.
Yeah,
Actually,
to-do list.
pina-customize ko to, guys. May
Me
nakita
first.
lang akong
Me first
product.
again.
Okay.
There's a square, but this is a check
Yeah,
mark.
check mark. Ito yung, ano muna, first,
Yeah.
para tipidin kayo sa papel or stickers or mga paper.
Wow,
ano. Yan.
look!
Kahit sa scratch paper lang, di ba? Meron ka ng to-do list din, ilalagay mo na yung mga
Yeah.
to-do list mo. And after that,
We are going for
yeah,
this.
you will put a check mark.
Yeah.
Yes. Kapag done ka na sa specific task mo, like
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
O, diba? May check na siya.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
the to-do list for.
Customize siya, pati yung check mark, guys. Sa Digistamps, they can do customization for you.
Yeah.
Kung may
To
ready na
you.
kayong layouts.
You guys.
And of course, syempre guys, ang pinaka-importante, we also have our YouTube channel
Yeah.
design.
Me first, okay? That's me when we taking a picture. That's
Yes.
me.
Scarlett and Manny.
Yeah.
And of course, our YouTube channel. There!
Wow.
So cool.
Yeah,
You
so
can
cool.
change ink, yung color na ink.
Me first, okay?
Okay.
You can change your ink and your favorite color is green. You must paint your ink green.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay. They are located in Mega Mall, but also they have Shopee. Ito ay sa Shopee ko, sa Mega Mall ko to kinuha, and these two sa Shopee na lang. Kasi ang layo ng Mega Mall eh.
Yeah.
Okay guys? And then, syempre sa major item natin for today is our mic. Microphone for our camera. This is the wireless Go.
That's a Rode microphone.
Rode
means.
microphone.
Yeah.
Compact wireless microphone system. So, dalawa siya guys. Ito yung kanyang specs and kung ano yung mga kasama. So, first, we have the receiver and the transmitter, yung dalawang yan. And of course, the dead cat or fur windshield para hindi niya makuha yung ibang tunog. Yung mga tulog ng tricycle, nung malakas na hangin. And of course, dalawang USB kasi dalawa din yung ating receiver and transmitter. And the SC cable, magko-connection dun sa camera and dun sa microphone. And of course, may pa-pouch para mas maganda yung kanyang travel case. Okay, unboxing time!
Unboxing time, you're so excited, you guys.
Okay. Slide lang natin dito. Okay, there you go. Compact wireless microphone. Can open. So, first we have the paperwork, the manual. There. Road. Okay. North America siya. And then may South Korea. And of course, this is the pouch with the receiver and the transmitter.
Me first, okay?
Okay.
This black charger is kind of
Yes,
both.
dalawa siya guys.
Yeah.
May
Me first,
pangalan
okay?
sa
Me
road.
first.
Okay.
That's a both charger because we have both Rode. That means there's both chargers.
Yeah, these are the transmitter and the receiver.
Yeah.
So, open natin siya. Dito yung button, guys. There. Ito. May tip siya para kang announcer or yung nag-interview, reporter, ganyan. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa damit mo.
What? Me first.
There, nag-go na siya. Yun yung kanyang screen.
Me first, okay? And look, you guys, this is so cool. And I never know
This the other
product.
one. This the microphone, the receiver.
And this is,
Okay.
I don't know, but I don't know what
Ito yung
this
receiver niya na
called.
ilalagay.
But this is a
Okay.
headset, but I don't
Ayan,
know.
gumagana na siya.
Maybe it's a charger.
Ito yung ilalagay natin sa damit, itong isa.
Oh.
Okay? Ito yung transmitter,
Yeah.
receiver. And of course, ito yung dead cat.
Yeah. Me
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll open this first for you. Okay, there.
Wow, look you guys. This is so
Parang
soft.
soft. Hindi ka takot? It's parang
No.
dead cat. Ito yung dead cat, guys. Then, ilalagay mo lang siya.
Wait.
Yes.
That's the dead and I'm dead?
Yeah, ilalagay lang siya somewhere eh. Basta parang dumidikit siya.
It looks
Yeah.
like a animal to me.
Yan, it's animal. Dito guys, yan. Para ilalagay mo na siya sa somewhere. Tapos, i-click mo siya para sa damit mo, pwede mo siyang itago. Then, ito yung kanyang kakabit sa camera and your microphone. Pwede rin siya sa mga iPhone, sa Samsung. May connector lang siyang kailangan para ma-connect siya. Okay, that's so soft.
Yeah.
Ayan o guys, nakita nyo ba? Naririnig niya na tayo ngayon. Although hindi siya nakakabit sa camera natin. Glimpse of our camera.
Yeah.
There. So, you want the test, guys? We'll check, ha? We'll be back. Hi, guys!
Hi guys, we're back, but this
Yes.
is our always one.
Old microphone. Yung gamit namin kayo dito yun,
Yes.
guys. Okay.
This is expiration, see guys?
Distraction.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito yung gamit namin from Boya naman siya. Medyo minsan nawawala na kasi siya eh. So, kailangan namin magpalit ng microphone. At hindi siya portable kasi, di ba? Pero maganda rin siya. Laki ng ano niya, ng dead cat. Ito, dead cat guys, inaalis yan. So, there. Pag inalis siya, ganyan lang naman siya. And then, yun. Nasasala niya yung mga unwanted na mga sounds. So, yan. Tapos ngayon, ito gamit ko na guys. Ito na siya. Okay?
You can put your dress.
Yeah, there. Para siyang reporter lang. Natanggal lang ng konti yung kanya.
Again.
Okay.
You can hear me. You can hear us, you guys.
Alisin mo natin yung dead cat, guys. And i-try natin sa labas. Kung maririnig niyo pa rin ako, okay? I'll be back. Hi, guys! I'm here. Narinig niyo ba ako? Dito kami sa labas ng house. So, there. Yan. Kahit Scarlett, umuulan. So, hindi ko pa kinamit yung kanyang dead cat. Hi, guys! Okay naman? Hi, guys!
Bye guys! I hope you watching and please subscribe and please like and follow and share and comment. And I hope you must comment road and stamp because we have this product too. Bye you guys!
Bye!
And please subscribe to my channel too. Bye!